Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your employee discount on the McDonald's app. First, make sure your McDonald's app is fully updated to its most recent version for optimal performance. Next, log in using your specific employee credentials. It is crucial that your account is linked to your employment. Finally, confirm your employee status is correctly displayed within your app's profile settings before proceeding. This ensures a smooth discount application process. Once logged in, navigate to the Offers or Deals section, typically found on the main menu or home screen. Here, you will find various promotions, including your exclusive employee discount. Carefully review the available discounts and select the one you intend to use for your current order. Some discounts might be for specific items, so always double-check the details before adding it. After selecting your discount, begin adding your desired food and drink items to your order. Once your order is complete, proceed to the checkout screen. The app should automatically apply the selected employee discount to eligible items. Always take a moment to review your order total and ensure the discount has been correctly deducted before finalizing your purchase. This step is vital for saving money. Remember, employee discounts are generally intended for your personal use and may not be transferable. Be aware that some discounts might have specific usage limits, such as one per day, or exclusions on certain premium menu items. If you experience any difficulties or the discount does not apply correctly, do not hesitate to contact McDonald's app support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot any problems you encounter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.